Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a get ready with me, my very first using Merit products. They were kind enough to gift me all of these products, but this is not a sponsored video. I can give my completely honest opinions, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Merit Beauty. This is really good timing because the Sephora sale is starting April 1st and going on through April 11th, and you can get a discount depending on your level. I've been using these products for a little while now, so I can tell you how they work for older skin, for dry skin, and for sensitive skin. If you don't know me, I'm Cindy. I'm 67. I do videos on makeup, on skincare, and on curly hair. Please consider subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. And please give this video a like. Oh, and by the way, I have a mini giveaway for this video, so stay tuned to find out what it is. Let me tell you something about Merit. They are a clean beauty brand founded by Catherine Power, who founded the company Who, What, Where, which is a fashion company. And she also started the company Verse, great skincare sold at Target. Look at how these products come for your first purchase from the website. In this adorable corduroy bag. I've never seen anything quite like this, and I love it. They are really a less is more brand. They believe in simplicity and the ease in putting on your makeup in the morning. They sent me 6 products because at the time they were selling 7 products. They've recently added an 8th product. 1 product was out of stock. 2 of the products won Allure Best of Beauty Awards. They are at a clean at Sephora brand. And I looked at the ingredients pretty carefully because I am kind of an ingredient freak. They have no fragrance, they have no alcohol, they have no citrus oils or other sensitizing ingredients, which could be very harsh on dry skin and sensitive skin and older skin. They're vegan, they're cruelty-free, they're very conscious of what they use for their packaging. If you're interested in learning more about each of these 7 products, stay tuned. We're about to get started. Yikes, here's me barefaced, no makeup at all. Give me a thumbs up if you appreciate the fact that a 67-year-old is coming on camera with absolutely no makeup, because it's a little bit frightening. I am going to start out with a complexion product. This is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. This is both a foundation and a concealer. And I'm going to take it out so you can, oh my God, I just broke it. Oh, no. Okay. Here it is. It's really a slim tip. This is in the shade Linen, and it is a light neutral. Oh, I broke it. I'm going to swatch this for you. The color is great on me. And they say that you can apply this with a brush. This was the thing that they didn't send me because they were out of it. Before I apply it, I usually have sunscreen on, and because I took my makeup off, I'm going to use a little bit of primer just to moisturize my face a little. I'm using the Hourglass primer. I have very dry skin, so this will be helpful. I really wanted a foundation stick because I'm going to actually be traveling again. I'm so excited. I make some whiskers down my nose, around my nose, on my chin, and some antenna above my eyes, on my forehead. And I'm just going to use my fingers now because I like a light coverage. This gives you, depending on how much you use, gives you a light to medium coverage, which is perfect for me. It could be a little drying if you don't set it on top of some nice moisturizing sunscreen, which I usually have, or some moisturizing primer. So that's blending in very nicely, very comfortably. The color is really very perfecting. It comes in 17 shades, which is a nice shade selection. I just happened to notice that Sephora is out of a lot of the shades. I haven't checked the website. Now, I'm going to also use it as a concealer. I'm going to use it under my eyes. It doesn't crease, and it gives me the lightness that I need. This has a very skin-like finish. It is not matte, and it's not particularly luminous. I would give this probably a 4.5 rating out of a 5. I like it a lot, but I find that you need to start with a pretty moisturized base. The next product that they sent me, and I got to pick the color, and boy, was it hard because there were so many great possibilities. This is the Flush Bomb Cream Blush, and it comes in this really cute container in this dome-like package, and I'm going to swatch this for you. It's very sheer and it's glowy, which is beautiful, but it doesn't last the longest time. I found that if I apply it with a brush, it lasts longer. I don't understand why, but it seems to be true. So I'm just going to take a brush. This just happens to be a Sigma brush, and I may apply a little bit more than I might in real life, just so it shows up on the camera. I want to look into getting colors other than this. A deeper color for me would be nice. I think they have 9 colors. This color is cheeky, a cool pink. I would give this a 4.4 or 4.5 out of 5, just because it is not the most long-lasting blush I've used. If you're thinking I look a little different, you would be right. I actually lost this segment of the tape. I'm not sure how, but I'm retaping it on a different day. I didn't want you to lose this part of the review because I think this is really a fantastic product. This is the Day Glow Dewy Highlighting Stick. It comes in 2 colors. This is champagne, and it also comes in a rose glow. And I put on a lot. This is what it looks like swatch. You can barely see it, which is really a good thing. You don't want something very shiny or disco ball-ish, and you don't want a stripe of that on your face. I've tried a lot of highlighters, and I haven't liked really any of them. Either they don't show up or they're just too glowy. And this one is very, very subtle. That's what I've been looking for. I'm going to try it on for you. And all I do is apply it directly to my face. And it gives me just a slight reflective look, which makes my skin look just slightly more youthful, more dewy. I would give this product a rating of 4.9 out of 5. I really like this product. Moving on to the eyes, they have the Brow 1980 Volumizing Eyebrow Pomade Gel. For all of us, we need to frame our face by emphasizing our eyebrows. As you age, you lose a lot of hair everywhere on your body, and you gain some hair too. I don't want to mention where you're gaining your hair, but anyway, you do want to emphasize your eyebrows. I still have pretty thick eyebrows, but they're really unruly, and they are pretty white, actually. So I need a gel to both cover my white brows, which are dyed, and they're not too white right now, and they are out of control. So the first thing I need to do is take a brush, and this is just an e.l.f. brush, and kind of brush them up. This is their brow gel. I like the fact that everything looks a little different. Not everything looks the same in their product line. It comes in 3 shades. This is the brown. It also comes in blonde and brown black. So this is a perfect shade for me. Simply brush it up. It's not too wet, and it's not too dry. I'm going in for another coat. Okay, that's nice. I love this color. It's perfect on me. Now, this isn't enough for me because the one area of eyebrows that I'm missing is my tail. So I need to go in with a brow pencil. This happens to be the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And I'm going to go in and fill in the very tip. And there's no brow gel that's going to do this for me. I'm not mad at Merit. It's just part of the process. The one that I've been using lately is the Kosas Airbrow, and I think it compares pretty equally, except doing the math, the Merit is more expensive. But I think it's nice. It holds the brow in place, and it does cover the gray. Because of the cost, I would probably give it a 4 out of 5. Before I go on with the Merit products, I'm going to put on a little eyeshadow, which they don't have in their collection. And I'm going to do it off camera. What I'm using is Victoria Beckham's Lid Lusters, but I'm going to just use a pretty minimal look, but I'll meet you back in a second. The next product in the Merit lineup is the Clean Lash Lengthening Tubing Mascara. Here's what it looks like. If you're not familiar with tubing mascara, instead of coating your lashes with mascara, it wraps each lash in a polymer. And the nice thing about that is that it washes off extremely easily. It's supposed to be a smudge-proof formula, which I find to be pretty true. I don't see any smudging under my eyes, which I find with a lot of mascaras. By the end of the day, I have a pool of brown or black under my eyes with almost every mascara. And if you like a natural look, I think you'll like this mascara. Look at the wand, by the way. It's a very simple, straight up and down wand, and I prefer this kind of wand. It's not cone-like, it is not hourglass shape. This mascara looks better with 2 coats. So I'm going to apply a second coat. Notice I only applied it to the upper lashes, not to the lower lashes. A second coat, I mean, because you don't want too much heaviness on the bottom of your eye. That will close up your eyes. But if you like that natural look, I think you'll really like this mascara. I would give this a 4.4 out of 5. This is another product that won the Allure Award last year. Another product that was gifted to me was their Shade Stick Tinted Lip Oil. Boy, did I pick the right color on this. This is the Sangria or Deep Berry. Let me swatch this for you. It looks extremely deep, but you know what? Oh, beautiful. You can't really tell when it's swatched. I'm going to swatch it on my lips and you'll see. Oh, I am in love with this color. This is beautiful. But I will admit to you, I am not a lip oil, lip gloss person. I like whatever I'm putting on my lips to stay for a long time. This does not stay for a long time. I don't think any lip gloss will stay for a long time. That's the thing, but it feels amazing. It is not sticky. It feels comfortable. It is moisturizing. It feels great, and I think it looks great. If you want something smooth and not sticky, and you are a lip gloss or a lip oil person, I think this is an amazing choice. And I love, love, love this color. I just think it is so flattering. It's a beautiful rosy brown, which is definitely my color. It has no fragrance. It has no taste. It's a lovely formula, and it has shea butter and grapeseed oil. It has really nice ingredients. To me, this is juicy goodness, but you have to keep reapplying it. So let's be real. I would give this a 4.5, or if you're into lip gloss and lip oil, I'd probably give it a higher rating. I'm just not that experienced with it. Let's take this off and try a newer product that came out within the last 3 weeks, I would say. I don't think it's in the stores. I had to buy this online. This is the Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick, which comes in 8 shades. This is described as a sheer lipstick with a satin finish with the benefits of a lip balm. So this is more like just a regular lipstick. This is in the color Slip. Oh, let's look at the packaging. How lush is that? Beautiful. It's heavy to the hand. This is the color I chose. It's kind of a beige neutral. I'm going to swatch it for you. This is probably the most neutral color I have. Let's swatch it on the lips. This is a great spring color. I really, really like it. And it is what they say it is. It's extremely lightweight and comfortable to wear and lasts, of course, longer than a lip oil lip gloss. It has squalene and sunflower seed oil, so it gives that juicy moisture to your lips, and it's just such a pretty spring color. They have a total of 8 shades to choose from. At the very beginning of the video, I mentioned there's a giveaway. And that's because Merit, I believe, accidentally sent me 2 of the same products. I haven't opened it. It is the Cheek Balm in the color Cheeky. If you're interested in joining the giveaway, just follow the directions in the description box. What are my favorite products in this line? I think that they are the highlight stick, the lip oil or lip gloss. I just love this color. And the lipstick. Those are my very favorite. And I'd really like to know from you what interests you, if anything. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. I appreciate it so much. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.